like people, cars are driving by. It's kind of weird, awkward. Yes, very awkward. Oreo stuff. Okay, so yeah, I'm in my driveway here. So if it's, I think like, I don't know how many cars. Yeah, really random. Like 7:56 or something. But you have to like park